So see here. So 8th class, next chapter in the geography part or the first part. So actually for 8th class, two parts are divided. The textbook was divided into two parts, first part and second part. First 9 chapters are present in first part, and from 10 to remaining other 22 chapters or 23 chapters, they are present in second part. Okay. Now this is the first part only, the third chapter, that is earth movements and seasons. Okay, earth movements and seasons. So see here, earth is there. So you know that. So already we have that means you know that in the lower classes, that is in the 4th class, 5th class, 6th class, like that, you might have known about the movement of these planets. So there are totally, we have of course, okay, if this is the sun, the sun is having no totally 9 planets. Okay, 9 planets are there. Okay, so these 9 planets are revolving around the sun. Know that. So same like that, the third planet is our earth. Okay, now here earth movements. So what are the movement, how this movement of the earth is impacting on seasons? So that we are going to see now. See here, actually the earth is rotating around the, suppose this is the sun. Okay, now here this is the earth. So the earth is going to revolve around the sun. While revolving, so in which direction it was revolving means, so while revolving the earth is tilted towards east side. Suppose if this is the earth, so the earth is tilted like this. So cross. So if you see the earth, we can see like this. So this is the equator, 0 degrees, and here we can see the Greenwich. So how much tilted means, see here, if you draw the line, so like this, so how much suppose if this is the straight line, so the earth is tilted toward the east side like this. So how much, what is the degrees means here, totally 23.5 degrees. Okay, 23.5 degrees east. So 23.5 degrees east, it was tilted. So why this tilting was there? Because of this movement. Why? So while this movement was there, so why again? What are the forces are acting means? So there are two forces are there: centripetal force, and centrifugal force. In the physics, you can come to know these two forces. So centripetal force and centrifugal force. So the forces are coming from the sun. So due to that one, the earth is revolving around sun, and also very important is the earth itself is also having one separate force, that is called as gravitational force of attraction. Okay, gravitational force of attraction. So all these forces, due to this one, the earth is revolving around the sun, and while revolving, the earth is not in the straight line. It is tilted towards the east side. So how many degrees? It is about totally 22.5 degrees. Okay, so due to this tilting only, we are getting the seasons. Okay, we are getting the seasons. So before going to this one, so how many seasons are there in our country? Means there are totally, so in general there are, actually we can classify the seasons in many types, but in general there are 6 seasons are there. So actually 6 seasons are there. So the first one is, of course we can tell this as okay, so rainy season, next summer season, winter season. These three are general classification, but apart from this we have these other seasons, that is autumn season, autumn, next spring. Okay, so like that we have the seasons. So just to we move forward, just we can understand this. Okay, so see here, just yes. So if you see these plant, these tree, So we can notice that, so a tree in land class USA in the form of seasons. So to represent these seasons, we can understand how these plants and trees are there. See here, in one season, so it will be like this, and in another season it will be like this, and we can see this. So four types. So actually in general we have these four to five types there. Actually we have this okay, four types. Okay, just one by one we'll discuss. So the same tree was seen in other season, it will be in different color, and in the same tree the leaves are not there. So for this, so here we can see that there is no leaves, but here the leaves are becoming towards this falling of the tree, shedding type. Next here we can see that it is suffering with cold. Next was very green, that is spring. Okay, like this. So here we can see we can notice from these photos how a tree will be there in the different seasons, the same tree. Okay, so just to move forward. Yes, see here. So these are the seasons. Okay, of course we can learn in detail later. Just this is the difference between the seasons. So how the seasons are going to change the trees. Next, see here, curvature of the earth. So just now I said that. So the earth is there. We can see this is our earth, and earth is not in the straight line like this. It is like this. So it was tilted towards the other side, that is east side. Okay, tilted towards the east side. So if you see here, so in the middle you can see this is the axis, or sometimes you can call this as 0 degrees or Greenwich. So here so this is the axis only, it is given, there is no Greenwich here. Actually Greenwich is passing like this. Okay, so and also one more thing is, in the lower classes you might have known this latitudes and longitudes. What are the latitudes? So latitudes are the horizontal lines drawn on the globe is called as the latitudes. Longitudes are nothing but the vertical lines drawn on the globe. These are the imaginary lines, they are not real one. Just we are going to imagine these lines on the globe. Okay, so latitudes and longitudes. Here important latitudes are given on the earth surface. What are the important latitudes? So here we can see this is the equator. Next one is the Tropic of Capricorn. So this is called as Tropic of Cancer, and this is called as Arctic Circle. And downside we can't see in this picture, but here we can see one more one same like this, that is called as Antarctic Circle. So in the lower classes you might have known this one. Okay, but here, so if this is the line in the middle, so then we can call this